Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If your GCash app is showing that your funds are on hold, it can be worrying. But don't stress, today I will show you how to resolve this issue quickly. First, open the GCash application and check for any notifications or messages from GCash. These could provide clues as to why your funds are on hold, such as security concerns or required verifications. Next, you will need to ensure your account is fully verified. GCash often places funds on hold if they need additional verification from you. Go to the account settings and complete any pending verification steps. If the issue isn't resolved, contact GCash support directly through the app or their official customer service channels. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation. After contacting support, wait for their resolution. They may need some time to investigate the issue, but they should lift the hold once everything is verified and secured. And that is how you fix the funds on hold issue in the GCash application. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.